Alright, if you're short on desk space but still want serious power, whether it's for editing videos, gaming, running heavy software, or just flexing a ridiculously small PC setup, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the smallest, yet most insanely powerful mini PCs of 2025. These are compact, quiet, and they totally punch above their weight. Let's get into it. Let's kick it off with the new Mac Mini, powered by the M4 chip. This thing is tiny, but seriously capable. Under the hood, it's got a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, which means smooth multitasking, fast rendering, and even some impressive gaming performance if you're into Apple Arcade or streaming via cloud platforms. It comes with 16 gigabytes of unified memory, which is super efficient, and a 256 gigabyte SSD. Not the biggest drive, but hey, it's Apple, and you can always expand storage externally. It's whisper quiet, barely gets warm, and pairs beautifully with your iPhone, iPad, or even a studio display. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem and want something fast, simple, and compact, this is a no-brainer. This next one is from GMKtec, and it's basically a sleeper PC. It's rocking an Intel Core i5-12450H, which can turbo boost up to 4.4 GHz, and paired with a whopping 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a super fast 1 TB NVMe SSD. It supports triple 4K display output, which is crazy for a PC that fits in one hand. You also get all the good stuff: USB 3.2, Type-C, 2.5 GLAN, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and it runs quiet even under load. For under-the-radar performance, whether you're coding, doing graphics work, or just want a reliable Windows machine in a small box, this one's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for raw power in the smallest possible footprint, meet the GEEKOM AX8 Pro. This mini PC is running the Ryzen 9 8945 5HS, which is an 8-core, 16-thread monster that boosts up to 5.2 GHz. We're talking full desktop-level performance here. It's paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, so yeah, super fast, and a huge 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. You can game on this, edit 4K video, run emulators, do 3D modeling, and it handles it all without breaking a sweat. Plus, the built-in Radeon 780M GPU is solid for integrated graphics. Connectivity-wise, it checks all the boxes: Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, 2.5 GLAN, and plenty of USB ports. It's compact, it's fast, and if you're a power user who needs portability and performance, this is the one you need to look at. Next up is the MSI Cubi NUC, and this one's built for hardcore productivity setups. It's rocking Intel's Core i5-120U, a 10-core chip that handles multitasking like a pro. You also get 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage out of the box. But here's where it gets really cool. It supports up to 4 4K monitors at once, so if you're in finance, coding, or even stock trading, this is a killer multi-display rig in a teeny tiny package. Plus, you get Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, Wi-Fi 6, and even a micro SD card slot for content creators. If you need screen space and power but don't want a full tower cluttering your desk, this is your guy. And last, we've got the HP Pro Mini 400G9. Don't let the business branding fool you. This thing is snappy. It's running a 12th gen Intel Core i5-12500T, which outperforms older i7s and comes with 16 GB RAM and a 1 TB SSD. Pretty generous for its size. This one's great for remote work, small offices, and conference room setups. It's super compact, has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and lots of ports for displays, peripherals, and more. HP also keeps things secure with BIOS-level protection, which is a win for work-from-home folks or anyone dealing with sensitive data. It's reliable, powerful, and takes up basically zero desk space. All product links and details are in the description, so go check them out. And let me know in the comments. Which one would you trust to power your setup without taking over your desk? Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more real-world tech reviews.